Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
Scientists have developed an anti-obesity drug that shrinks fat without suppressing appetite. The drug reduces body weight and blood cholesterol levels without lowering food intake in obese mice. It works by increasing fat cell metabolism. As fat cells grow larger, their metabolism slows down. This is behind philosophy, making it harder for these cells to burn accumulating fat. That's why we get obese. The drug blocks this metabolic brake from operating obese white fat cells, which increases the metabolism within white fat cells. The researchers fed mice a high-fat diet until they became obese, and then injected them with the anti-obesity drug they have prepared already. Within 10 days, the mice lost more than 7% of their total body weight, which was much surprising for scientists, and their white fat tissue mass and cell size decreased by 30%, which was also a marvelous achievement by them. The drug also restored their blood cholesterol to normal levels. All of this happened despite consuming a lot of food by the mice, showing that weight loss can be triggered without appetite suppression. Scientists hope to replicate these results in humans in the near future, which could be very beneficial. In another study, scientists converted human fat cells into stem cells, which could potentially regenerate and damage tissue in the body, which is also a marvelous achievement. The fat cells are first collected from the body. They are then converted into adult stem cells with the help of growth factors. The adult stem cells are then induced to become pluripotent stem cells, which can give rise to any type of cells in the body. These cells can then be used to repair any type of tissue in the body, including injured hearts and damaged spinal cords. It's a marvelous achievement. They can also be used to repair joint and muscle degeneration. Alright viewers, this was all about today's topic. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge as well.